In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update billing and payment method in Mailgun. Keeping your payment details current ensures your emails keep flowing without interruption, and the process only takes a minute once you know where to go. Start by heading to the Mailgun dashboard and signing in with your account credentials. Make sure you're on the official site and working over a secure connection. Once you're in, you'll land on the control panel. In the top right corner, look for your profile drop-down. This is usually your avatar or initials, and click it. From that menu, choose Plan and Billing. This takes you to the area where you manage your subscription and payment settings. On the Plan and Billing page, switch over to the Payment Details tab. This tab is dedicated to how you pay for your Mailgun usage and where your current billing information is stored. Here, you'll see your existing payment methods and billing information. Take a moment to review what's already on file so you know exactly what you're updating. When you're ready to add a new card, go to the Payment Methods section and click Add New. If you see a small gear or cog icon next to it, you can click that and choose Add New Card from the options. Now enter the new card information carefully. Type the card number without spaces if the field requires it. Then add the expiration date and the CVC code. Enter the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Accuracy matters here. Mismatched names or incorrect CVC codes can cause the update to fail. It's also normal for payment processors to run a quick, temporary authorization to verify the card. If you see that on your statement, it should drop off automatically. Once everything looks correct, click. Add to save the updated payment details to your account. Give it a moment and look for a confirmation message or the appearance of your new card in the list of payment methods. That's your signal that the update is complete. From here, Mailgun will use this payment method for future charges according to your billing cycle. If the interface looks a little different from what you see here, don't worry, UI labels can change over time. Look for similar wording like billing, payments, or payment methods. And if a field rejects your entry, double-check the format or try removing spaces. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your billing and payment method in Mailgun, and you're set for smooth, uninterrupted service.